Hey, Cole here with Bootstrapped. I want to show one simple use case, how you go from reviewing a service level agreement to actually understanding and validating it against your internal policy. So this is a typical SLA. You've got your service level, uptime commitments, service credits, remedies, and escalation terms. So instead of scrolling back and forth, what I'm doing now is using our Bootstrap outline feature that automatically outlines this document for easy navigation. Another thing I want to point out is when there are references to other sections or any sort of definition, you can click into that item and without having to scroll or move away from the clause you're working in, you will get that definition or section reference directly in a bubble on your screen within Microsoft Word. So before even analyzing anything, I'm able to move through the document quickly and stay oriented. Now, usually the most important parts of an SLA sit around uptime and service credits. So instead of reading through this line by line, I can run a review against our internal SLA policy. What this does is check the agreements against things we expect, like uptime, thresholds, response times, reporting requirements, and escalation structure. Here's a quick look at that internal policy to see what we're comparing against. So now in order to run that review, I will go back to our service level agreement, click into our toolbar here, click review, and the client in this case is Beta Corp, and we want to review with the priority being in this party's interest. So I click continue here. In this case, we're reviewing against a policy, so I'll select policy and select our internal SLA policy document. From there, I simply click review. And now just give it a few minutes to do an analysis. Right away, it flags in real time where the agreement doesn't meet the standards of our internal policy. So instead of trying to catch everything manually, I'm immediately seeing where the gaps are. From there, I can click into any of these issues, and it will take me to the corresponding section within our internal policy. Let's go ahead and leave comments for these. So I can bulk select all of our different issues here and click add comments. You'll notice that it's added those comments directly into the document for me. I can move straight into updating the agreement one change at a time with full control over what actually gets changed. So the workflow becomes pretty straightforward. You move through the document, identify what needs attention, understand what's wrong, and check it against your policy, all in one place inside Word. And that's really the value, moving faster through review without missing things that actually matter. Stick around, I'll show you a couple other examples in separate videos. Thanks for watching.